What is suspension clamp? It is a hardware with a fixed effect. It is made of aluminum alloy material and casting process. They include tension fittings and limited grip hardware. The suspension clamp hangs or supports the conductors. They could bear the vertical load hardware. It consists of the following 6 parts: body, plate, hand down, bolt, U-shaped plate, U-shaped bolt. The body is the supporting casing of a suspension clamp for the guide. The body is made from a combination of aluminum alloys to resist scratches and wear. The plate of a suspension clamp assumes the part of interfacing the guide of a transmission line to the body of the suspension clamp. This hang-down design that is answerable for moving the wire from the hub of swaying to the cover string. These hang-down are equipped for assuming this part since they are made of covered zinc material. They are made of aluminum to offer the important help while oppose erosion.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.